Working with St. John's River Management, Stable Soils was consulted to investigate voiding soils at the Moss Bluff lock structure located on the edge of the Ocala National Forest. This structure was originally constructed in 1925, but has had many upgrades and repairs since original construction. The problems that were occurring stemmed from water infiltration along the sheet pile seawall joints that allowed soil exfiltration during heavy rain events or during river depth and flow variations. From the very first day these panels began to leak, surrounding and supporting soils would escape, creating voids and occasional collapse of the ground level soils. Prior to our repair option of injecting chemical grouts, many relied on additional riprap placement, and in this case, sealing the riprap with concrete to help hold the soil and relieve the rainwater penetration. This approach proved futile as the concrete seal eventually cracks, allowing the continuation of the rainfall inflow. During initial inspection, we found very large voids around the electrical room, threatening to undermine the building, and were injected with our two-part expanding polyurethane foam, which seeks out the entire void to fill, solidify, and seal these voids for future rain events. Once these voids were filled to refusal, our next step of repair was to seal the seawall panels to eliminate the exits of the soil exfiltration. These repairs are accomplished by either drilling through the panels in the area of the leak, as shown here, or from driven or water jetted rods inserted from soil level grade, which we will see here in a moment. Because we are sealing and filling much smaller voids, our one-part catalyzed polyurethane is utilized, pumped under pressure behind the panels to seek out the active leaks and follow the path of least resistance to seal from the positive pressure side of the leak. The active leak itself will draw this injected material to the exact spot that the seal is most needed. It will then climb the joint to form a perfect, complete panel seal. As you can see, the injected product actually vacates water as it's injected. Chemical grouts have been successfully used since the early 1960s. Many projects that have been excavated lately have shown active seal performance even after 50+ years. All of these products are made here in America, are warranted by the manufacturer, and are totally harmless and inert to our environment. Some are even certified for use in potable water tanks. Seawalls, concrete tanks, storm drains, elevator pits, wet wells, dams, lift stations, even manholes can all be sealed using this new technology. Although not cheap, repair is usually pennies on the dollar when compared with rip out and replace methods. If it's structurally sound, we can seal it. As you can see here, after cleanup, repair evidence is hard to see to the untrained eye. Only small 3/8 inch patch drill holes are noticeable.